Okay, so in order to repair the gel coat, you must first get gel coat. And I like to use a disposable cup. And you mix it for about this amount right here, half a disposable cup. It'd be about 20 drops of resin, same as you would mix fiberglass resin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then I like to use Q-tips for mixing and applying the gel coat. Mix it. So once you get the gel coat all mixed, you get a Q-tip. Go over to the affected area. And then just dab the gel coat on to the crack or hole. Alright, your coat's on order. Make sure you fill the area taller than what is required. And that's basically it. Wait 24 hours and sand down. And it should blend in. Yeah.